Are you sure you're tightening those evenly?
I mean, they look even enough. I want to get this one as tight as I can, you know. Yeah, you may need it bigger. I really want to make sure it's as tight as possible.
Whoa, don't tighten that too much. You could break the whole thing.
I think it's still good.
Alright, just be careful. Boss said that's expensive. Don't overtime that.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll be real safe with it. Yeah.
The instructions say to tighten it just enough. Hey, what do they mean by just enough?
See, you just like, it's just all feel, you know what I mean? You just gotta like, do it just enough.
We really need to improve this design.
So hard to do the system. They have all these tools and clear instructions. Damn, I wish I could just take this stuff off. This makes no sense. We keep breaking everything. I wish there was something else we could do. Don't we know some engineers at New Mexico Tech? Yeah, the mechanical engineers. They could fix this problem for sure.
We have two different designs for our displacement mechanism. Our first design features a cam. It's an irregular shaped disc that uses its unique geometry to push up on the block when rotated. This creates our set displacement. Our second mechanism features a wedge. Two wedges are inserted under the block to push it upwards. This creates our displacement. Due to the geometry of the wedge, this design self-locks.